Hello YouTube! Today I will make BLYTHE Faceup process. Before the painting, I soak eyelids. It will help me to remove eyelashes. The face template is already sealed with matte varnish. And let's start! First of all, I make a blush. I don't know why, but the pencil work is more saturated when you are painting on the layer of pastel. Oh, in the upper left corner I show the number of the sealant layers with can pictogram. I want to create delicate and slightly enchanting look. For this I use pastels of cult colors. The first layer is done. And now I want to make some freckles with white and silver gouache paint. I dilute the paint quite heavily and use old buttered brush to spray. This is how it looks after drying. Cute, isn't it? To paint eyelashes, I use white gouache paint and thin brush. It's line art brush in size 0/6. While the paint dries, I will show you the painting of the eyelids. After soaking, eyelashes are quite easy to put out. Using an airbrush, I apply the base color. When it dries a bit, I apply the second layer. And now I use duochrome acrylic paint. To make the makeup look solid, I put a little of the same paint on the faceplate. The base of the eyelid is done, and now is a fun part. I use nail art set for stamping to make some pattern on the eyelids. The basic technique is very simple. You should degrease the surface, apply a bit of polish, scratch, and stamp. Voila! Cool, isn't it? To protect eyelids, I applied some gloss polish. I mark the eyeline with pencil. And then just repeat it with the paint. Instead of the brows, I decided to use some pearls. And let's apply some gloss. She is already cute. And this is my custom fairy eyelashes. I used some package film to make it. And now I should just curl it with eyelashes curler. This is how it looks on a doll. Very magician. And this is Blythe eye chips, what I made. Let's assemble the doll. I used the thin wire to thread the rope. Tighten all screws. And the doll is done. The doll has fur boots that looks like Uggs, vintage dress, sweater and of course wings. In the previous video I showed how to make such wings. Do you like the result? I really do. She's so mysterious and cute. And also I named her Moth. I really appreciate if you will share this video, subscribe on my channel and click on the bell. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!